Dear friends, greetings to all. Today's topic is meaning and definition of management. This is in the introduction chapter of the subject management. Management generally means deployment and manipulation of human resources, financial resources, technological resources and natural resources. Normally, we know that management means the process of planning, organizing, directing, coordinating and control of all the activities of an organization in order to get maximum profit and to fulfill the objective of the concern. Normally, that management we often termed as management is getting things done through the help of other people. These are all the common meaning and interpretation for the topic management. But this management can further be known through different sections. Say some 8 sections are there, 8 categories. Accordingly we can study. That is, first one is art of getting things done. That means this art of getting things done is given by 2 management thinkers. Good definitions have been given by 2 good management thinkers. First one is Mary Parker Follett gave a definition. According to that definition, management is the art of getting things done through others. Okay. Then another good definition is given by Harold Kuhns. According to him, management is the art of getting things done through and with people in formally organized groups. There should be formally organized system, and in that system the employees should be properly given work, thereby they will be contributing their effort to the management. Then second one is management as a process. Process means you know that planning, organizing, directing, coordinating and control. How the definitions are? Important definition given by Henry Fayol. According to him, to manage is to forecast and plan, to organize, to command, to coordinate and to control. Okay, planning, organizing, coordinating, control. That's all. Then according to James L. Lundy, management is principally the task of planning, coordinating, motivating and controlling the efforts of others. Okay, this is more by efforts of others towards a specific objective. Some objective should be there. Based on that objective, the focal point of giving some direction and motivating the employees. Then Lewis Allen also gave a definition, that is, management is what a manager does. That's all. It includes everything. What a manager does. Broad definition, linking all activities. Okay. Then third one is management as a discipline. Just think about as a discipline means as a subject in for the universities and colleges or plus 2 level. And it is a body of knowledge, a practice and a discipline. Management refers to the principles and practice of management as a subject of study. Okay, that is the management as a discipline. Then it starts as a specialized subject as a branch of knowledge in educational institutions. It has drawn heavily from psychology, sociology, anthropology. So management does not existed by them itself, just like economics. It derived some, principles and practices and theories from other areas, that is sociology, psychology, and anthropology. Okay. Then fourth one is management as an art and science of decision making and leadership. Best one, decision making and leadership. So in here the definition is given by Donald J. Clark, CLOUGH, Donald J. Clark, as management is the art and science of decision making and leadership. A very good definition. So the good definitions, good decisions give better result. It fulfill the mission, vision, and objectives of a concern. Okay. Then Rossmore also gave a definition, that is management means decision making. Simply that's. Then Association of Mechanical Engineers of USA also gave a definition related to art of decision making and leadership, as management is art and science of preparing, organizing, and directing human effort. Understand? Human efforts applied to control the forces and utilize the material of nature for the benefit of man. So utilize the human effort for some kind of benefit for the man. Human resources are utilized for the benefit of all the people of the society by employing natural resources. Natural resources should be properly utilized through the human resources, human effort. That's all. Then another one, most important one, fifth one, art of increasing productivity. That is productivity. Production is different from productivity. That means in 1 acre, production may be 1 acre of wheat in production may be 5 tons. In another area, 1 ton, 1 acre may produce 6 tons. 5 acres will give some production. Divided by 5 means productivity. In another area, 10 acres production divided by 10. That is productivity, increasing the productivity. Then in some countries are making high productivity with respect to rice and all materials because of the human effort. So this aspect is more important. And let us see the definition given by, because the most important person, Frederick Winslow Taylor, is concerned with the more productivity. According to him, he is the father of scientific management. Management is art of knowing what you want to do in the best and cheapest way. Once again, management is art of knowing what you want to do in the best and cheapest way. Okay. Another definition given by John F. Mee. According to this definition, management may be defined as the art of securing maximum prosperity. Okay, prosperity should be there with the minimum effort, or more important, so as to secure maximum prosperity and happiness for both employees and employer, and give public the best possible service. Public should be made happy by giving best service. Employees should be happy and employer should be happy. That is through the act of increasing productivity only it will come. Okay. Then next one is integration of effort. Management is integration of various efforts only. That is Keith and Gubalini defined as management is the force that factors integrates men and physical plant into an effective operating unit. Okay. All that activities, efforts should be combined together to for the betterment. Then last one is management as a group of managers. That is, management is a body of group of people which performs certain managerial functions for the accomplishment of predetermined goal. Okay, group of people only. That only is emphasized here. So now it is very clear only. I think it's best it is classified into various aspects. And okay, thank you very much. Now I request you to subscribe mwn.spacecom by just pressing the subscribe word in the video. Okay, thank you very much.